a prominent Turkish scholar has said that Chinese modernization not only benefits the Chinese people, but also offers wisdom to global development.
China is coming in every field, not only in one field of technology or of social development, in all fields. This is a complete modernization. What China has done in recent years, not only the modernization of Chinese style, but also to make 800 people out of poverty has been very important. From this perspective, it is a success, and it is acknowledged success by all the countries. China is providing to the world a new modernization process. Usually we had always the modernization process from Western world in the last 200 years. But now many countries try to take Chinese modernization process an example.